Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you trying to lose weight but feeling like you're stuck? You're eating right, you're exercising, but that number on the scale just won't budge? It can be so frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you that one of the biggest secrets to faster weight loss isn't just about what you eat, but what you drink? That's right. Today we're going to dive into the best drinks that can supercharge your metabolism, curb your cravings, and help you see those results you've been working so hard for. We're talking simple, effective, and delicious swaps that can make a huge difference. So grab a glass of water, get comfortable, and let's unlock the power of hydration for weight loss. First up, let's talk about the absolute king of all health drinks, water. I know, you've heard it a million times, but are you really drinking enough? Proper hydration is the foundation of any successful weight loss journey. Think of your body like an engine. It needs water to run efficiently. When you're dehydrated, your metabolism can slow down, meaning you burn fewer calories. Drinking plenty of water helps your body function at its peak. Plus, sometimes when you think you're hungry, you're actually just thirsty. Try drinking a full glass of water before each meal. This can help you feel fuller, so you naturally eat less. It's a simple trick, but it's incredibly effective. It also helps your body flush out toxins and reduce bloating. For an extra boost, start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Lemon adds a touch of vitamin C and can help kickstart your digestive system for the day ahead. It's a refreshing, zero-calorie way to set yourself up for success. Next on our list is a powerhouse beverage that's been celebrated for centuries, green tea. If you're not already a fan, you might want to become one. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly one called EGCG, which stands for epigallocochin gallate. That's a mouthful, I know. But all you need to remember is that this compound is amazing for your metabolism. Studies have shown that EGCG can help boost your body's ability to burn fat, especially during exercise. So, having a cup of green tea before your workout could help you get more bang for your buck. It's also a great alternative to sugary drinks. It contains a small amount of caffeine, which can give you a gentle energy lift without the jitters you might get from stronger drinks. You can enjoy it hot or iced, making it perfect for any time of the year. Just be mindful not to load it up with sugar or honey, as that would defeat the purpose. A little squeeze of lemon is a great way to add flavor without adding calories. All right, coffee lovers, this one's for you. Good old black coffee can actually be a fantastic tool for weight loss when consumed correctly. The key here is black coffee. The magic ingredient is, of course, caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant that can increase your metabolic rate, meaning your body burns more calories even at rest. It also gives you that energy boost you need to power through a tough workout or a sluggish afternoon. It can even help suppress your appetite for a short period. However, this is where many people go wrong. The benefits are completely negated if you're turning your coffee into a dessert with loads of cream, sugar, and flavored syrups. A single fancy coffee shop drink can contain hundreds of hidden calories. So, stick to black coffee, or if you really can't stand it plain, try a splash of unsweetened almond milk or a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor. Like green tea, a cup of black coffee before a workout can improve your performance and help you burn more fat. Just be sure to listen to your body and not overdo it, as too much caffeine can lead to sleep problems and anxiety for some people. Now for something a little different, but incredibly effective, chia seed water. Have you ever tried this? It might look a little strange at first, but the benefits are incredible. Chia seeds are tiny little powerhouses of nutrition. They are loaded with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. When you mix them with water, they absorb the liquid and form a gel-like substance. This gel is what makes chia seed water so amazing for weight loss. When you drink it, that gel expands in your stomach, which helps you feel incredibly full and satisfied for a long time. This is a game changer for anyone who struggles with snacking between meals or overeating. The high fiber content also aids in digestion and helps keep your system regular, reducing bloating. To make it, just mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into a glass of water, stir well, and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes for the seeds to gel up. You can add a squeeze of lime or a few berries for flavor. It's a simple, low-calorie drink that keeps hunger at bay and supports your digestive health. Let's also talk about apple cider vinegar, or a CV. This one has a lot of buzz around it, and for good reason. A CV contains acetic acid, which has been shown to have several benefits for weight loss. It can help improve your metabolism, reduce fat storage, and suppress your appetite. Some studies suggest that consuming a small amount of apple cider vinegar with a high-carb meal can increase feelings of fullness and cause you to eat fewer calories for the rest of the day. It may also help stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those sharp spikes and crashes that lead to cravings for sugary snacks. Now, you should never drink apple cider vinegar straight, as it's highly acidic and can damage your tooth enamel and esophagus. The best way to take it is to dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons in a large glass of water. You can drink this before a meal to maximize its appetite-suppressing effects. It has a strong, tangy taste, so you might want to start with a smaller amount and work your way up. It's a powerful addition to your weight loss toolkit. So, let's do a quick recap. We've covered 5 amazing drinks that can help you reach your weight loss goals faster. First, simple, clean water, especially with a bit of lemon, to keep your metabolism fired up and your body hydrated. Second, green tea, packed with antioxidants to boost fat burning. Third, black coffee, for that metabolic and energy kick, but remember to keep it clean. Fourth, chia seed water, a fiber-rich drink to keep you full and satisfied for hours. And finally, diluted apple cider vinegar, to help control your appetite and blood sugar. The most important thing is to be consistent. Try incorporating 1 or 2 of these drinks into your daily routine and see how you feel. Replace your sugary sodas, juices, and fancy coffees with these healthier alternatives. And you'll be amazed at the difference it makes, not just on the scale, but in your overall energy and well-being. Remember, these drinks are tools to support a healthy lifestyle, not magic potions. They work best when combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful and are feeling motivated to make some simple, positive changes. Which of these drinks are you most excited to try? Let me know down in the comments below. I love hearing from you all and sharing in your journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content on health, wellness, and achieving your goals, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Here's to a healthier, happier you. We'll see you in the next one.